I just finished a session with Helen and I feel energized, joyful. I feel really happy. Yeah, it really brings up all my energy. It's dynamic. Some sessions are more soft, you know. I've been following Helen since a few years, and I really always love her style. You know, it's a free style. With her, I feel safe. I feel supported. It's really helpful for transformation. So let's say if you're shy, you know, you're in the comfort of your home, you can just dance, you follow her indications or not. If you don't, feel free to explore and you know, be crazy and really dance like if nobody's watching, because it's, you know, you're on the screen and it's just you and Helen and other participants, but it's really yeah, it's really safe. You can feel free to be who you are, and it's really great. I really love it. So thank you, Helen, so much for being there, for your style, for being supportive, for all what you bring, also in the knowledge of you know, the body and the neuro, the connection between the brain and the body and the somatic. And she has a lot of knowledge, and she's really easygoing, and she's really creative. I really love her. Thank you so much.